Do you know which of the following organisms shows the bioluminescence? What is the bioluminescence? If you know, write in the comment section. Here today you are going to learn about the phylum Ctenophora. Ctenophorans, also called as the comb jellies or sea walnuts. These are comb jellies or sea walnuts. Ctenophora is the after Colenterata. It is starts. It's the third phyla in the non-chordates. Right here, general characters. The grade of organization. These are the multicellular and tissue grade of organizations like a colentrates. Tissue grade of organization. But have a multicellular, right? It's same as the colentrates. Right? Symmetry is the radial. Symmetry is the radial symmetry. In the same way, colentrate also radial symmetry. Right? Most of the organisms. Diploblastic, it has a two germ layers in the same colentrates. Ctenophora also diploblastic organization, two germ layers, embryonic development. It has a outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. These are present in these. That's why colentrates and as well as this phyla Ctenophora belongs to the diploblastic in nature. And coelom, this is the no coelom, acoelomates between the ectoderm and endoderm. That parenchyma or the mesoglial cells are filled with that. That's why there is no coelom in these animals. See here in this picture, it has a that pleurobranchia. One of the example they have given. It is like a comb jelly. It has a 8 plates are there, chitinous plates. We called as the combs. 8 plates are there, and 2 flagella, ciliated comb plates and flagella are present in these animals. Habit and habitat. This phyla is the exclusively marine. This is the one of the important feature of these animals. Like echinoderms, in invertebrates, echinodermata and Ctenophora are the purely marine. These are solitary and pelagic. What is the pelagic? They freely float on the water surface. This is present in the only sea water. And these are the solitary. Solitary means what? No, they live their life in a single, not group. That's called, if they are living in a group means colonial. In the single means you called as a technically solitary. And pelagic, they float on water. That's a pelagic meaning, right? See here, digest system is there. This is incomplete, and intracellular and both extracellular digestion takes place. Here the thing have to know about incomplete means what? No, only one opening is there. This opening act as a both anus and mouth. It means what? Ingestion purpose and ejection purpose. This opening only works. That's why called as incomplete. This also called as technically blind sac. This should be important more. Blind sac like gut means what? Single opening. Both intracellular within the cell and between the cell means what? No, gastrovascular cavity within the cell and between the cell also digestion takes place. That we called as the extra and intracellular digestion, right? Next we'll go for the next. It is the respiratory system is absent. There is no specialized respiratory system and there is no specialized circulatory system in this phyla. And here is the, whereas the reproduction, it's a sexually, only sexually. Here is the sexually reproduction takes place. These are the hermaphrodite. You know that hermaphrodite means what? One organism has a both female and male organs like a earthworm, like a sponges. This is called as the hermaphrodite. And fertilization external in water environment. Development is indirect. It means what? Indirect development means it has a larval forms. Should have a larval forms. Means what? That embryo change into mid-form larva, then after as a adult, right? Indirect development. What are the unique features in this phyla? This is a very important unique features in every phyla has, like a Nidaria or the coelenterata have a nidoblast cells as a unique feature, whereas the sponges have a water canal system is there. Like that here, locomotion is by ventricle, vertical movement, and the external rows of the ciliated complex are there. See here, locomotion is by the 8 vertical external rows are there. If it is the organism, they have a 8 like these complex are there, which are the ciliated. By this, it can able to locomote, right? 8 vertical external rows of ciliated complex are there. That's why this is called comb jellies. Tentacles are present, right? This is the unique feature of these organisms. And moreover, they have ability to emit light. What I told first, I asked the question, right? Which animal shows the bioluminescence? These animals can show the bioluminescence. What is the bioluminescence? Like a fireflies, they have the ability to emit light from the body. That phenomena called as a bioluminescence. What is the bioluminescence? The organism, they have able to emit the light. That's called as the bioluminescence, right? Here is an example. See the picture, plurobranchia, how it is. See, it's a very beautiful organism in the sea, how it's emitting light. Plurobranchia and Ctenoplana. Plurobranchia and Ctenoplana are the examples. This is the beautiful organism. See how it is emitting light in the sea, and this is the Ctenoplana. These are the two organisms of that phyla example. At a glance here, grade of organization is the tissue grade. See, this one has to better to copy in a note. It's a very useful. We can learn easily by using this simplified structure. Grade of organization is the tissue grade. Symmetry is the radial, diploblastic germ layers, acoelomates, and habitat. These are the exclusive marine and single and pelagic. Incomplete gut, both extra and intracellular digestion you can notice in these Ctenophorans. Respiratory system is absent. Circulatory system is also absent. Through the body surface it will be takes place all the things. Here is the reproduction is the hermaphrodite, right? These are external fertilization takes place. Development is indirect. Then what is the larvae of these animals? Can you guess this larvae? What is the larvae of Ctenophores? If you know that, write in the comment box. Larvae of Ctenophores, right? These indirect development should be have a larvae. What is the larvae? Write in comment section ma, if you know that, right? Then locomotion is the that complex are there now, it will be happening in that. Example, Ctenophora and plurobranchia. I hope you understood ma. Find the larvae form. You know that planula is a larvae of coelenterate, right? Amphiblastula, trichomella are the sponges larvae, poriferan larvae. Then what is the larva of these animals? Do you know? If you know that, write in the comment section. This is the what is the larvae of coelenterates, Ctenophores. Coelenterate larvae I have given as a planula, right? And what is the larvae of these animals? Ctenophores larvae, right? I hope you understood. Thank you.